In many schools across the country, technology has not only made lesson planning and record keeping more efficient and standardized, it has also made it easier on teachers' backs. Web-based curriculum resources and computer-based document management mean less effort spent dragging heavy bags full of teacher manuals and lesson plan binders back and forth from place to place. However, since it may still be necessary to bring work home in order to meet deadlines, here are some tips to organize your materials. Invest in a sturdy, safe mode of transportation. For your files, that is. Canvas shoulder bags or expandable briefcases are durable and convenient for carrying a teacher's manual and a few files, while providing protection from the weather. For times when you have more materials to transport, such as after a break or during a school closure, consider purchasing a collapsible rolling cart with an extendable handle. Similar to a box on wheels when it is assembled, a rolling cart will save your back and keep your materials organized, and most come with a removable cover to protect your items from the elements. Sort through your file cabinets and digitize frequently used resources. Teachers have a reputation for keeping things forever, especially lesson resources. When was the last time you took a close look at your files to see what you actually use each year? Generally speaking, if a resource is more than 5 years old, it is probably outdated and can be donated or discarded. Then consider the resources you use most often and see if any can be scanned and saved to digital folders or a drive. Consider using your school's online learning management system for student assignments, which will also save paper and reduce the need to transport items between home and school. Set up a designated area for working from home. Creating a dedicated workspace in a quiet area of your house will help you stay organized because everything for school is in one place. This practice will also help you establish a work-life balance. After all, having a designated workspace means you are less likely to plan your lessons or correct papers in areas of your home that are typically used for recreation and rest. Keep these tips in mind for those times when it's necessary to bring schoolwork home to maintain your health, reduce clutter, and stay organized.